Hello Successful Soul, this is Jen Lillian helping online spiritual coaches with their online spiritual coaching business to supercharge their results in 90 days or less to success. Now this is one of my clients, Rebecca Morgan, and we helped her with her online coaching business. She had already dabbled in Facebook and also was doing a content strategy of sorts. However, we did help her streamline her process, and this is her feedback. Any questions, then feel free to reach out, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi Jen, it's Rebecca. Okay, I want to send you a quick message as I'm out walking the dog, and it's just how much I appreciate you. You know, I went from showing up now and then on social and playing with ads and not seeing results to really showing up consistently, seeing actually organic leads, and having a Facebook ad strategy. And I can't thank you enough for your help, your support, your brain on how we can do this and make it really work for my business and how I want to work. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I can't wait to see what we do next.